Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at the beautiful Kandolim beach here in North Goa. I'm going to show you guys the streets of Kandolim. I'm going to bring you to the beach. I'm going to show you guys what's open, what's happening, what shops are available, the weather, everything possible. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach here in North Goa. Okay guys, so we are starting off from the streets of Kandolim here. So right now it's around 9:30 in the morning and I'm going to be giving you guys a complete virtual tour of the streets of Kandolim. We are going to go all the way down to the beach. I'm going to show you guys what's open, what's happening, and basically I'll tell you guys about the weather and everything possible from here in Goa. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day today. We're just going to ride a little slow. The camera is attached to my bike, so you guys get a complete POV view of the streets. So as you can see, even though it is off season, a lot of the shops are still open. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of tourists today, even though it's a weekend that I'm shooting on, but hopefully there's going to be people at the beach. And yeah, so today is a nice beautiful day. The weather has changed completely. It's become nice and cool. It used to be just a couple of days ago it was extremely hot, and now it rains in between. It just rained a couple of hours ago and now it is back to nice and beautiful. So this is the main road going towards the beach. There's quite a lot of shopping available on the streets here, as well as you have the Delfino supermarket here on the right. There's going to be quite a few restaurants on the way while we're going. So all of the restaurants seem to be open. It's been 3 months since I last came here to do a vlog. I had taken a little break from YouTube, but now I'm back with a couple of videos now just to show you guys an update of what's happening. So as you can see, the restaurants here like the Mango Grove and the other restaurants here are still open. Here you have Annapurna. It's quite a favorite with quite a lot of international tourists. So on the right here we have Newton Supermarket, which is one of the biggest supermarkets here in Goa, and they have one of the best wine and alcohol collections. Here you have all the restaurants like Tomatoes, and yeah, so quite a few restaurants that are here in this area. So we are going to go to Morodvado, which is the street this side, which is taking you guys towards the beach. I'm just going to ride down slowly so you guys can see what is available. So as you can see, there are the first tourists you can see early morning here, and it's such a beautiful day, guys. The weather is nice and cool now. It has a little humidity in the air, but while riding the bike it feels nice and cool. So just a few weeks ago, if you came here, the road was completely packed, but unfortunately now, because it is off season, as you can see, there's hardly anybody, but all the shops and everything is open. So if you want to do any shopping or anything, everything is going to be available. You have Angar here as the restaurant on the side of the road, and here you have J3, the club. There's also other restaurants. So first thing is Inferno is closed for season. Another restaurant here which is quite popular on the left hand side, which I used to show you guys in previous vlogs, this happens to be closed as well. So quite a few places have closed down for season. So if you see here, this is also a very popular restaurant which used to be there in season time. Yeah, so this is the beach road. What we'll do is I'm going to park here so that I can show you guys the beach. We are going to walk down to the beach. Okay guys, so now that we made it here to the entrance of the Kandolim beach, let's go in here. So actually they're not allowed to take their bikes in here because there's a fine of 1,000 rupees if you take them there, but there is a parking area over there, so you can take your bike there. So just to show you guys the shopping around here, so there's a lot of the shops that are open. There's coconut water here if you want some, and yeah. So coconut water, there's like bags. Let me just go close up and show you some of the bags that are available here. So these are all the bags. Bags का prices बताओ भाई थोड़ा कौन सा भी बताओ. Yeah. 850 750 okay. So he's saying these are coming from Bali. Which is 750? So which one?
ये वाला 750 का है, ऊपर वाला नीचे वाला 950 का है.
So this is 750, those are 950. बार्गेनेबल है कि फिक्स? हाँ कर डिस्काउंट देगा. अच्छा. So glasses का प्राइस क्या है?
स्टार्टिंग 100 रुपीस से 150 180 मिलेगा.
Okay, so the glasses are from 100 and 150. Thank you, bye. आपका नाम क्या है? Ram. Okay, so if you want, come and meet him here. Okay, thank you. Bye. So yeah, there's shopping here. Those are the bags that are available. In between, my camera just glitched for some reason. So yeah, just to show you guys the scenes of what is available here at the entrance of the beach. So guys, it is suddenly so hot.
पैकेज वाटर स्पोर्ट्स
किधर है हाँ पणजी में ओके so there is no water sports available over here. The water sports is available in Panjim. So there will be like guys who come here at the entrance and tell you there are water sports packages. They are not actually a scam. There are actual water sports available in Panjim in the Mandovi river. So as you can see, Kandolim has completely transformed here. It is not what it used to be here. And my gosh, guys, look at this. It's completely different. So just a few weeks ago, I did a vlog here, right? And there were all shacks. There was hundreds and hundreds of people with beach beds here. This is the main Kandolim beach. It's not even the, some side entrance or anything. But here, see, as you can see, there's a few people enjoying themselves here at the beach. So what we'll do is let's just walk around and show you guys the scenes. So those there in the distance are basically all the rooftops of the shacks that used to be here. So now for the next few months till October, the shacks are going to be closed and the shacks will, so there's no shacks. There's going to be no water sports on Kandolim beach at all for the next few weeks and months basically. So the water sports will actually open up only in the month of October. So let's just walk around and give you guys the vibe of the sea here. So swimming is completely banned. Just to tell you, see, these are the red flags here. Whenever you see the red flags, you're not allowed to swim at all. There are lifeguards everywhere. So we'll just look around here. So there are lifeguards on the beach. But just to show you guys the sky before I tell you a little more details, the moment it stops raining, you have beautiful blue skies here in Goa. And look at this sea, guys. Oh my gosh, oh sheesh. Okay, so yeah, I'm in the middle of the water suddenly. So that's the little risk that happens here. If you see, there's a huge dip in the sea here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So the water just pulls you back while going. It is amazing, the feeling when the cold, ice cold water hits you. What a feeling. My full feet are completely soaked. My pant is soaked. It is a great feeling though. This is see that guy also is so excited. So he's saying bahut pyara hai, means so lovely, I think. Wow, look at this. Okay, so let's just walk around on the beach. So the girl there is getting her hair braided. So if you want to get your hair braided, here you can get your hair braided as well. Uncle came with his long pants here to the beach. So we'll just walk around. I'll show you. As you can see, there is just the waves are amazing. The vibe is amazing. There is a couple of restaurants that are available there in the distance. So if you want to eat something, there are restaurants around in this area. So don't feel that it's completely abandoned. But on the beach itself, there is like on the beach area, there is nothing. But just to show you guys, there is Sandbox over there. That's a really nice restaurant which is available at the beach, especially if you want to have a couple of beers or anything during monsoon time. So that is something that you can come and enjoy while you're here at the beach. So what we'll do is let's just continue and take a little walk here. Guys, be very careful because when you go into the water, there are like big sinkholes that are here because of the waves. So it forms like a big hole in between, and if you start walking suddenly just thinking that it is very shallow here, you can just fall in any second. So we'll just continue walking around on the beach, see the crowd that is here. It's such a nice vibe. Everybody's enjoying themselves here, and just feel the vibes of Goa, guys. So there are quite a few people swimming. I cannot see the lifeguards anywhere for some reason today. Oh, the lifeguards are there. So that's the lifeguard post there. So they'll come running in case anything happens. The people are just wading in the water. Oh, there the lifeguards shouted at them and told them to get out. But yeah, we are going to walk around and just give you a little vibe of the Goa scenes here in Kandolim Beach. So there is not much to show you guys on the beach besides the photographers and the beach vibe, but I'm just going to show you the beach vibe, so you feel that you're here itself. I don't know if you saw that girl running in here. So yeah, they are enjoying themselves. See, it's really nice to do reels when the sky is like this because the water is so crazy, but it looks so cool, and the sky also is really nice and blue. So yeah, this is what the Kandolim beach area is like right now, and hopefully there'll be more crowds. So it's just to show you, it's around 10:25 now, so there will be more people that come in here. We'll just take a last walk around here and show you the last scenes from the beach area. I will go back to the entrance of the beach and show you guys some more from there. But yeah, so this is what the beach looks like and feels like. Wow. So this is like so nice and milky. Look at that, guys. So if you can't come to Goa now, you can just feel that you're in Goa, and this is what it feels like to be here. So anyway, guys, let's go back to the entrance and show you some more from there, and a few more shops and things that are open here. As you can see, the crowd is coming in. So just as I turned around, I look around and there is so many people here all of a sudden. So as you can see, there's international tourists here, but it's actually very rare to have international tourists here now because it is off season, so, and it is also quite hot most of the time, so that's why there's quite a drop in international tourists. So anyway, let's go and show you some more. Okay guys, so just to show you guys some last scenes from here on the beach road and just give you guys a complete glimpse of the area around. So bikes, cars, rentals, everything is available now. The prices are dropped, like they have become much cheaper. So if you're on the beach road here, you will find quite a lot of these shops. So if you see here on the right, you can get your car or bike rental from there as well. And just a close-up glimpse of the shopping that's available here as we go down the road. So many of the popular shops that were here, like all these Kashmiri shops and stuff, have closed down now for season time, basically off season, and they will open up in October, as I mentioned before. So just a look at the road here, main road, which used to be hustling and bustling, but right now it is quite empty. So yeah, this just gives you guys a little glimpse of how the scenes are here on the Kandolim beach area. So yeah guys, this is the Kandolim area, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So guys, that is it from here at the beautiful Kandolim beach here in North Goa. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.